we are in the living room, and all these arts, I print them online, of course, from some store, I don't remember. The lip was from Target. This is one of my beautiful bees. I really love that one. I don't know why. Well, the chair are from Homeri, I believe. I really love those G-Wanger style. And I made this, so I don't know where this from. Most of these painting over here that I made, the what's the name of that? The TV thing, the TV stand is from West Elm. The coffee table is also from West Elm. And then here we have a mirror. So before we go in the morning, we always check ourselves out. Let's see if we look good. Yes, we do. Alright. So here is the dining section. That's where I eat my breakfast, my dinner, and so forth. My table is also from West Elm. Over here, let me try to hide this, is the kitchen. That's where I cook. That's where the magic happened. I don't know about other people, but I actually cook. If you watch my reels on YouTube, Instagram, I cook. So this is where all the magic happened. These are some of my. And now we turning to the kitchen. So this is what the kitchen look like. It's a standard kitchen. I'm not gonna say standard because it's a pretty big size kitchen for New York, right? This is where my onions, garlic, and my spices. This is my fruit pan, and this is my juice. I was drinking this earlier. The cilantro, don't even mind about it. But this is what the kitchen look like. Favorite thing, it's not filled up yet, but that's where my glasses are, my cooking things. Same for here. And so most of these items, this is my fruit basket. In the morning I just grab something, eat it, and go. This is my utensil where I put all my spoon. This is also, like, I believe it's drinking glasses, and of course the fridge. I do not have a regular garbage can, so I use this as my garbage can. So yeah. And when you turn on intake, everything that I love, from this, my teapot, to my teacup. So yeah, most of these things, most of the glasses are from Crate and Barrel. But yeah, let's walk. This is the hallway. This is the perfect view, literally the perfect view at night or in the morning. I don't have, that's the reason why I try to have my apartment tour now, because there are some changes that I would like to make, and I would like to make them with you guys watching. I am thinking of putting wallpaper and an actual bench. Right now it's like my nightstand and some other bench that I have that I stuck together to make this. But yeah, I'm thinking of wallpaper this and having lights going down in the middle right here. So this is my family portrait. This is my mother, my father, and my sister in the middle. This is another seating area, but that's where I do my makeup, facial, you know, reading, working, everything happened here. That's my the light is from IKEA. This vase is actually from West Elm also. And this is my mother, and this is Miss Antoine from a print shop. I love her because I like tying my hair, and every time I see her, it reminds me of me. Bathroom. So it's a regular bathroom. Nothing crazy about it. It's just a bathroom. I mean, yeah, it's a regular bathroom. In my suite, let me put more. This is my bedroom. The light is acting up. So it's a pretty small bedroom, but it's due for a single person. So yeah, that's my beautiful bedroom. I also have a maxi mirror here. So in the morning when I woke up, I look at myself. When I'm crying, that's where I practice my cards. Yeah. So yeah. And these nightstand, I thrifted them. I also did this painting, and I have a big the Empire State Building. It's really, 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 I feel so lucky and blessed to have this place. Yes, this is it, and this was short and sweet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll have more videos of like this coming up.